Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a share because I banged out another card kit, and this card kit was the Fabulous Collection. I got 14 cards out of them. I will link the unboxing video here so you can see all of the things that came in the kit besides the stamp set and these dies. Now the sentiment I did use from another card kit, and that one is the Peace Collection. It came out in October of 2020, and I will be banging that collection out shortly as well. So just a really quick flip through of the 14 cards. Enjoy! So that's the 14 cards. I did receive some die cuts from a crafty pen pal that also subscribes to Stamps of Life, and I received these from her, so thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!